Keith and Aaron, it may come as a shock to some, but to prevent the coronavirus from hitting New Jersey hard, the state is limiting all international travel for state employees. And taking a further step, they are also limiting state to state or any domestic travel. Even, for instance, if it's traveling from New Jersey to New York for the day, we're told those state employees must have approval from the governor's office. Now, on those two presumptive positive coronavirus cases in New Jersey, what we do know is the two men are not being treated at the same hospital, and it's not believed that they ever came into contact with one another.
I'm really concerned because I have two kids who are in school.
Seemingly overnight, the coronavirus hits New Jersey. A man in his 30s who lives in Bergen County.
The hospital appropriately placed the patient in an airborne isolation room since his arrival, and the facility has since been continuing appropriate infection control precautions.
To show you how the virus can spread, let's take a look at the New York lawyer who is hospitalized, also infected. His wife, daughter, and son, a family friend who he spent time with, is also positive, along with his wife and 3 children. Also positive, a neighbor who drove the lawyer to the hospital. That neighbor's children are being tested.
I guess my biggest thing is it more contagious through just us talking, or is it, more skin to skin?
Think about the places you go. Is it on mass transit? And how many things do you touch during the day? Your phone, a computer keyboard, an ATM, debit or credit card machines, door handles, or a grocery cart.
I want to know how easily transmitted it is by just daily contact that I, come in contact with my phone, my cell phone, my steering wheel, my husband, my kids.
State health officials together with the CDC say the virus can last on glass, metal, or plastic anywhere from 2 hours to 9 days. And if you can smell what someone had for lunch, like garlic, you're standing too close.
The threat to public health in New Jersey remains low.
Experts are still exploring the coronavirus transmission, but say a cough or sneeze from an infected person is your biggest threat. Touching something after that happens, then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. And again, we've been reminding, and we will keep reminding, to stay safe and healthy as the coronavirus seems to be spreading throughout the United States. Obviously, it is important to wash your hands or also use hand sanitizer, especially before you touch your face. And while it was a serious press conference, guys, here today, it was interesting to see a little bit of a lighter moment. Attorney General Gerber Grayall, they were doing a little bit of a shoulder bump or a fist bump as they said goodbye this afternoon. So all important things as we're greeting people day to day. We're live in Ewing. I'm Cydney Long, NBC10 News.